Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming device model and the exact iPad OS 26 build. This determines the IPSWA you need. Backup now. Use iCloud for convenience and an encrypted Finder backup for full data recovery. Once done, download the matching signed IPSWA file for your model and verify its SHA-256 hash to avoid corrupted images. Make sure your Mac has the latest Finder or iTunes and a quality USB-C cable. These steps prevent mid-process failures. You now enter DFU mode. Follow the button sequence for your specific iPad until the screen stays black and the computer detects recovery. Once detected, open Finder or iTunes, option-click Restore or Shift-click on Windows, choose the downloaded IPSWA and confirm. The tool will validate and flash the firmware. This can take 10–30 minutes. Keep the iPad connected and the Mac awake. If you see recovery loop messages, do not panic. Let the restore finish before trying again. After flashing, set up the iPad and restore from your encrypted Finder backup for passwords and health data, or use iCloud if needed. Reinstall apps, sign back into your Apple ID, and re-enable Face ID or Touch ID. Make sure background app refresh and notifications are configured. Finally, test key functions: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, camera. If the restore fails, retry entering DFU, confirm the IPSWA is still signed by Apple, and swap cables or USB ports. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.